So today I decided to recreate Blake's makeup from the Met Gala 2018 because a lot of you requested this, a lot of you really loved her makeup. So yeah, I decided to recreate it in a way for you, even though I'm not sure if this is actually the exact makeup because it's just very hard to tell from the pictures because, you know, some people may edit the pictures and sometimes the lighting is different, so it's really hard to see actually the true colors. But I tried to do my best and to have a makeup look, you know, quite similar to hers. And also today as a main palette I use a Dream palette from Deck of Scarlet because this is really perfect for this makeup look. Each palette comes with all the products you need to create a full look. So you have eyeshadows, lip products, highlighter and blush in here. Deck of Scarlet is a bi-monthly subscription where you can receive a full palette. Every palette is created in collaboration with a YouTuber. This edition was created with Kim Tai. So let me know if you like this look and I will leave you with the tutorial. And I'm actually talking, I'm doing a voiceover for this one, so enjoy. So I'm starting with my concealer as usual, and I'm using my Peripera Ink concealer. This is in the shade number 3, which works perfectly for me. And I'm using my Anju synthetic brush to just blend this all over my eyelid. And then I'm moving on to my face powder. Actually, this is from Azelique Cosmetics. This is a pressed powder foundation to set that concealer. And I'm moving on to Myth. This is from the Deck of Scarlet palette, Dream palette, and I'm using as a Eva 218 brush to apply this in the crease. So this will be my transition shade, and then I will try to blend any harsh lines, you know, that I have, to have that very smooth transition, as I always like to do with all the colors I put out in the crease. With the same brush I used, you know, my face powder. I'm moving on to the color called Crown, which is this like a very dark burgundy, very dark raspberry kind of color. So this will be the main focus of the makeup, you know, I really want that red intense crease. And again, I'm blending with a hot quality 553 brush any harsh lines. Now, of course, on the lid I will use Enchanted. I think this color is pretty similar to what Blake's, you know, had on her eyelid, so a bit of a like pinky rose goldy kind of shade, really intense. And then on my inner corners I will just use a little bit of the highlighter from the Deck of Scarlet palette, and I will define my lash line using my One Day Tattoo eyeliner in brown, and then applying some mascara and some Ardell false lashes in Wispies. And now for my foundation, I actually mixed 2 L'Oreal products, the L'Oreal Pro Matte Infallible Foundation with the new glow drops that they have, illuminating drops. They launched this recently and I really like how this product mixes with my foundations, because even though, you know, this is a matte foundation, I will still have that radiant glow. So I still have that long-lasting and matte kind of effect, but at the same time I have that radiance as well. So I like to mix that with my foundations. And as a concealer, I will apply just my Peripera Ink concealer again, and I'm blending everything with my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Setting that with a little bit of my Azelique face powder that I used for my eyelids as well, with a big hug holder brush, and the Kevyn Aucoin Sculpting powder in medium with a Koyudo foundation brush. I will just, you know, define my cheeks. Now as a blush, I will use this really nice kind of raspberry, light raspberry color, again with the same hug holder brush on my cheeks, because I think this is exactly what she had on her cheeks as well, a very nice like raspberry, kind of a bit of lighter burgundy color. And then I will apply the blush, the color Crown, and then the same Enchanted, you know, eyeshadow in my inner corner on my bottom eyelid. And I'm finishing with this really nice, again, like raspberry kind of lip color from the Deck of Scarlet palette. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and bye.